guys, let's go ahead and get into the summer FabFitFun box. I'm an annual subscriber, so I do have the ability to customize all the options. Some of these I chose to customize, some of these I chose to just leave a surprise. I will let you know which is which when we get to those items. First of all, cute, very cute. Okay, so we have a magazine. I don't care about this, and I never do. Let's get into it. Okay, so this one is one that I actually chose, and it's a desk pad. And I'm gonna be honest, I didn't choose it. Well, can I open it? Is that a thing? I did not choose this because I wanted it at my desk. I actually chose it because I wanted a little like nail pad area, and I felt like this could be a solution. Now that I'm feeling the material, I don't know if I was on track with that thought. So that's something we'll just have to see. Oh, she's huge. Oh, wow. Okay. That's like a big old space. I don't know, because she seems kind of, what is this? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I will keep you updated. But she's huge. Okay, cool. So, okay. This is one that I did not customize, and it looks like it is a Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus Aromatherapy Candle. Okay. Again, can I open it? Yes. Okay, so it looks like it's just a little classic glass candle. Let's smell her. Not a super strong smell. It's fine. It smells like light and citrusy. Not super strong. I wonder how the scent throw will be once it's lit. As usual, one of these little wine coupon thingies. A sample of the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. They send me this sample every stinking time, it feels like. The Daily Harvest coupon. Okay, this is one that I did not choose as well, and this is a body scrubber. What does that mean? Like a glove? Oh no, it's like a silicone. Huh, I don't know. I wasn't really in the market for one of these. I just feel like that's not enough exfoliation to be a scrubber, quote unquote, because it's like a really soft silicone. I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, so this is one that I did choose, and it is the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 UVA UVB protection, because your girl is pale and I do a lot of beach time during the summer. Just for the record, you should be wearing sunblock every day, not just when you're at the beach, and I do that, but I got this specifically because I was like, summertime, beach time, more UVA UVB protection. So let's see. Yes, cute packaging. Cute. See where I burnt myself on the oven? Feels super light, doesn't feel greasy, doesn't really leave like a residue. There's no smell to it, which I appreciate in a skincare. Love that, glad I got it. This next one I did choose mainly because I didn't like any of the other options. So this is the IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. Let's smell. Of course they have a little, like, I appreciate that, but I'm gonna bitch about it while I'm trying to do a video. Okay, the smell is very like salon, like it definitely just gives that salon vibe. Cool. Let me see what the claims are on this. Microbiome, prebiotic, Red Sea algae. A multi-benefit shampoo that adds moisture, shine, smoothness, and strength while nourishing the scalp. For any hair type, if you want perfect hair. Okay, well, we'll see, won't we? Okay. I did not choose this one. This is a watch. Cool. I probably won't wear this because I really only ever wear my Apple Watch. So maybe I'll put this in like a giveaway or something at some point. Maybe when I hit a certain number of subscribers on YouTube, I'll do like a giveaway and this can be one of the gifts. She's freaking beautiful. Gorgeous. I'm just not a watch type of girl. Okay. This one I did choose. And it is a set of like little containers that will go perfectly in my bathroom. So they look like this. So they're like black with a gold lid, which is the aesthetic that I have in my bathroom. So they're just like open little containers. Cool. Very tight seal. They're made by Z Gallery. Cute. And there's two of them. Here, I'll pull the other one out. They're the same size. And there's two of them. And they will be cute little decor pieces. Cool. And then just some little like summery stickers. And oh, I have a 15% off code if somebody wants that. So yeah, that's everything that came in here. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see nail stuff, follow me on Instagram at creepybitty_nails. I hope you guys have an amazing week and I'll catch you next time. Bye.